So over here you can see that I have a video clip right here. So if I were to press the play button, then what happens is that I have this video clip playing around in its normal speed. But if I want to change around the video speed, you can go around and click on the video clip right here and then go around into its properties. So once you go around onto the properties, here you can see speed as an option. So you can go around and change the speed to, let's say, twice as faster and press apply. And what happens is that the video length decreases, and if I were to press the play button, you can see that the video becomes faster. Similarly, you can go around over here, make it really fast. Let's say, for example, make it 10 times over here as well, apply it, and the video becomes really fast over here. It's very fast, as you can see right here. And you can also be precise right here. Let's say, for example, you want it to be 4.57 times faster. You can just type in that value and press apply, and that is what you have right here. So you can also set the speed according to duration. So right now it's 4 seconds and 4 seconds and 36 frames right here. So let's say, for example, I want it to be exactly 4 seconds. Then I can go around and type in that particular value as well. So the video clip is according to how I want it. You can also make the video clip slower. So for that, you can type in 0. Let's say, for example, 5 times slower right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the video clips become slower right here. So it moves at a slower rate. So that is how you can change out video speed inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.